Hey G Squad, welcome back to another episode of Is It Worth It? So today's episode we have this cool mirror here, and pretty much what this is a dog bed. If you can see for the one that we got right here from this brand, and this is what the package looks like when you guys do get it. Let me actually open it up to show you guys what the inside looks like. So once you guys do open it, here's what the inside looks like. If you can see how it's all nicely compressed, but let's take it out. So when you do take it out, inside there's two packages, and both of them are compressed. So I'm assuming one of them is the inside of the actual bed, and the outside is the outer layer that you guys can probably take out to wash it. But very nice how it's compressed to actually save a lot of space. But what I'm doing right now is to open up both of them to show you guys what it looks like. We'll start with this one first because this is probably the inside. So it's actually very tight. So it might take me some time to actually open it and take it out. So I'm cut this part of the video to save you guys some time, and then we'll show you guys what it looks like. Alright, so here's this part. We're gonna open this as well. Once you guys open it, you can see it expanded pretty fast and it's very big. So the way how to design this one is like an L-shaped design sofa bed for your pet. So it's actually very big when you guys do expand it. But here's this side, and then here is the other side. If you guys can see on this side right here, it's like an egg foam design or something, like the egg crate design for like when you guys buy your eggs. It's like very similar design as that. So it's actually very comfortable when you guys do feel it. So I'm assuming this part right here is the top part to give that very comfortable feeling when your pet actually sits down here and lay down, which is really cool. And it doesn't take that long to actually expand it. I believe for this cover itself, you do have the option to open up and actually wash it. So they do have a zipper here as well. So if I do open it, here's what the inside looks like, if you can see. But for right now, we'll zip it back up. And now let's open up the other one. So this one is probably the cover. So once you guys open up, you can see this is what the part looks like. So this is the top part, and here's the bottom. So the bottom, they do have like the non-slip material as well to prevent it from moving around when you guys do use it. And the way how to design this cover, it is like a fur material that's very warm, which is perfect for a pet to use during like the winter season when it does get cold. And then throughout the product on the side, they do have this like pillow or cushion design that's very comfortable, so that way your pet can put their head on here and just relax. But what I'm doing right now is to open up the zipper and slide this inside. So I'm actually find the zipper first. Alright, so it's right here. Let's open it up. And you want to slide this in. You guys want to make sure the curved side fits on the curved side right here. And let's fit this inside right here first and zip it up. It's probably easier if you guys do it on the ground. Alright, we got it. Zip it up. So once you guys got it all set up, here's what the product looks like. You can see it's actually pretty thick to give you guys more than enough cushion on here when your pet does use it. And even right now, when I do lay down on here, it's really comfortable. Definitely more than enough cushion on here for the foam that they have right here. That's very comfortable, especially that egg crate foam that I mentioned, or the design. And supposedly for the inner layer, I don't think the outer layer here, but the inner layer, it should be like waterproof. So if you guys do spill water, it should be fine. And for this product, when you guys do purchase it, they do have this available in 2 different colors. I'm not sure if they still have it by the time you guys see this video. But at the time that I'm making this video, they do have this available in a gray and blue color. And they also have this available in different size. So they do have this available in small, medium, and large. The one that I got right here is large, so it's actually very big and perfect if you guys do have big pets. So when you guys do purchase this, you definitely want to do your own measurement to see which one's best for you guys and when it actually works with you guys first. But here's what the product looks like once you guys do fully expand it. Just to give you guys another perspective of what the product looks like, let me put this down on the ground to show you guys what it looks like. And then we'll come back and talk more product in a second. Alright, so once you guys put the actual dog bed on the floor, here's what the product looks like. So here is the top part, and right here is the side. Let me stand next to it to show you guys the side-by-side comparison to show you guys how big is it. Alright, so I do go down right here. You guys can literally see how big is it. And if I do lay down on here, it's pretty comfortable, which is perfect for your pet to actually sleep on when they do use it. Especially for the side right here. That is where the most comfortable part is compared to everything else. But this is what the part looks like. And when you guys try to move it around, it won't move because of that non-slip material on the bottom, which is really nice. Welcome back, guys. So now I saw a quick test of product. It definitely actually does work and actually works quite well. And it's very spacious when you guys can see from the video of how big it is. So I can totally imagine how well this works, especially if you guys do have a big pet, maybe like a husky or like a golden retriever or even like a Samoyed. If you guys do have small pets, you guys can feel free to use it as well. There's more than enough space to use it. But at the end of the day, it really just depends on how much space you guys do have. If you guys don't have a lot of space, then you probably don't want to get the large one because it really does take up a lot of space compared to like the normal size or the medium size beds. And it also depends on what kind of pet you guys do have as well. And if you can see in terms of the material that's on here, it's actually very nice. It's very high quality when you guys do feel it. And on top of all that, both the outer layer and the inner layer, you do have the option to throw a machine to wash it as well, which is really cool and very easy for us to maintain it if you guys need to wash it. But that is everything that's on the product. Now to go unboxing and test the product. Now to answer the question of whether or not it's worth it or not. So for this product, I do have to say that it is pretty worth it if you guys want to need one of these, especially if you guys are in the market looking for a high quality pet bed that has a similar design as what you guys get on this one, and also give you guys everything else I mentioned in terms of different covers and also the same material, then I do have to say that it is pretty worth it. But then obviously for those of you guys who don't want or don't need one or have one of these, obviously don't buy one and save your money on something else you actually do need. So that's basically everything for this video itself. If you guys like this video, make sure to smash that like button in the bottom. That will definitely help this video out, and it will definitely help with the algorithm as well to promote more videos for you guys so you guys can see more of the videos or similar videos as well. But as always, make sure to stay positive, be you, and I'll see you guys in the next episode of Is It Worth It? Peace.